The eye.
Ever wondered how the eye works?
Well, we have. So we're here to tell you all about this.
But first, we'll talk about the different parts of the eye.
The eye has many parts that must work together to create clear vision.
The sclera, the white part of the eye, protects the eyeball.
The pupil, black dot in the middle of the eye, is an opening through where light can enter the eye.
The iris, the coloured part of the eye, surrounds the pupil. It controls how much light enters the eye by changing the size of the pupil.
The cornea, the clear window at the front of the eye, covers the iris and the pupil.
Ow, my eye!
Stop being so corny.
You're the one lashing out.
The retina is a light-sensitive inner lining located at the back of the eye. 10 different layers of cells work together in the retina to detect light, then turns it into electrical impulses.
How the eye sees. For people with normally functioning eyes, the following steps take place.
Light reflects off the object we are looking at. Light rays come in the eye through the cornea at the front of the eye.
The light passes through a watery fluid that is called the aqueous humor and comes through the pupil to reach the lens. The lens can change in thickness to bend the light, which will focus it onto the retina at the back of the eye.
On the way to the retina, the light passes through a thick, clear fluid called a vitreous humor. The vitreous humor fills the eyeball and helps maintain its round shape.
The light then reaches the back of the eye and hits the retina. The retina then translates the light into electrical impulses, which are then carried to the brain by an optic nerve.
Finally, the visual cortex, or centre of the brain, interprets these impulses as what we see.
Colour blindness. Colour blindness happens when there's a problem with the pigment in certain nerve cells of the eye that sense colour. The cells are called cones and are found in the light-sensitive tissue in the retina.
Other causes of it can happen due to physical or chemical damage to the eye, optic nerve, or the brain.
Colour blindness causes difficulty in finding the difference between some colours.
There are 4 main types of colour blindness. These are achromatopsia, deuteranopia, protanopia, and tritanopia. It affects approximately 1 in 12 men and 1 in 200 women in the world.
The genes for the cell where colour blindness occurs are defects and make abnormal protein.
The scientific name for colour blindness is monochromacy.
There is an estimated 300 million people worldwide with colour vision deficiency.
There is such thing as colour blindness glasses, which have a specially tinted lens that help colourblind people see colour more clearly. However, they do not create or cure 100% normal colour. Some famous people that have colour blindness include Bill Clinton, Prince William, Meatloaf, and Niall Horan.
You know what, guys? This is pretty good. We're star pupils, don't you think?
Yeah, I risk my case.
Thank you for watching our real life science video.
We hope you enjoyed and learned something new.